Students, hope you are doing well. In this video, we will do questions answers of chapter 6, that is combustion and flame. So first question is, list conditions under which combustion can take place. Answer, following conditions are necessary for combustion. First, the substance should be combustible. Second, it should have a low in ignition temperature. Third, there should be proper supply of air. Now question number 2, fill in the blanks. First fill in the blanks is, burning of wood and coal causes dash of air. Answer, pollution. Second fill in the blanks, a liquid fuel used in homes is dash. Answer, kerosene. Next fill in the blanks, fuel must be heated to its dash before it starts burning. Answer, ignition temperature. Next fill in the blanks, fire produced by oil cannot be controlled by dash. Answer, water. Now next question, explain how the use of CNG in automobiles has reduced pollution in our cities. Answer, CNG has replaced petrol and diesel as fuel in automobiles because petrol and diesel produce a lot of unburnt carbon particles and release carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide gases. Both these gases are poisonous gases and cause various environmental hazards. But CNG is safe because it produces these substances in very small amounts, thus reducing pollution in cities. Now next question, compare LPG and wood as fuels. For this question, you have to draw two columns. In first column, you have to write all the points for LPG. In second column, you have to write all the points for wood. So first point for LPG is, it is a smoke-free fuel. For wood, it gives out a lot of smoke. Second point for LPG, it is easy to transport. For wood, it is difficult to transport. Now third point for LPG, it has more calorific value, that is 55,000 kJ per kg. For wood, it has low calorific value, that is 1700 to 22,000 kJ per kg. Now fourth point for LPG, it is easily to store cylinders. For wood, it is difficult to store cylinders. Now question number 5, give reasons. First question is, water is not used to control fires involving electrical equipment. Reason is, water is a good conductor of electricity, so it can easily transfer electric current and cause danger of electric shocks. Next question, LPG is a better domestic fuel than wood. Reason, LPG is a better domestic fuel than the wood because unlike wood, it does not produce smoke and it's comparatively easy to transport. Next question, paper by itself catches fire easily, whereas a piece of paper wrapped around an aluminium pipe does not. Reason, paper by itself catches fire easily because it has low ignition temperature. But when wrapped around an aluminium pipe, its temperature is lower due to aluminium pipe being a metal and good conductor of heat, absorbing the heat supplied to paper so it does not catch fire. Now next question, make a level diagram of a candle flame. You have to draw this diagram and level it. Now next question, name the unit in which the calorific value of a fuel is expressed. Answer, kilojoule upon kilogram. Next question, explain how CO2 is able to control fires. Answer, CO2 being heavier than oxygen covers the fire like a blanket. Since the contact between the fuel and oxygen is cut off, the fire is controlled. Next question, it is difficult to burn a heap of green leaves, but dry leaves catch fire easily. Explain. Answer, green leaves have moisture in them, which raises their ignition temperature and does not allow them to catch fire. On the other hand, dry leaves have low ignition temperature and thus burn easily. Next question, which zone of a flame does a goldsmith use for melting gold and silver and why? Answer, a goldsmith uses the outermost part of the flame for melting gold and silver because it has very high temperature due to complete combustion taking place in that region. Now next question, in an experiment, 4.5 kg of a fuel was completely burnt. The heat produced was measured to be 1,80,000 kilojoule. Calculate the calorific value of the fuel. This is numerical. So solve it starting from solution. Heat produced by burning 4.5 kg fuel equals to 1,80,000 kilojoule. So heat produced by burning 1 kg fuel equals to 1,80,000 kilojoule upon 4.5 kg. After solving, value is this, 40,000 kJ per kg. Or you can solve by this formula. Formula is calorific value of the fuel equals to amount of heat produced in kJ upon mass of fuel in kg. Then put the value of this and solve it. After solving, answer will be same. Okay. Next question, can the process of rusting be called combustion? Discuss. Answer, process of rusting cannot be called combustion because during this process no heat and light is evolved. Moreover, iron is not an inflammable substance. Now question number 13. Abida and Ramesh were doing an experiment in which water was to be heated in a beaker. Abida kept the beaker near the wick in the yellow part of the candle flame. Ramesh kept the beaker in the outermost part of the flame, whose water will get heated in a shorter time. Answer, Ramesh's water will get heated in a shorter time as the outermost part of the flame is very hot. That's it. यदि आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक कर दीजिएगा और आगे के वीडियोस को देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा।